This planet is incredible. But every day, we see more and more signs that things are getting worse, and the damage may soon be irreversible.
That's why those of us who care so passionately about the future of our planet are taking a stand to protect it. Because if we don't act now,
what will be left for my generation?
We're calling on you to help protect the future of our planet.
And the future of the generation who will inherit it.
Because a future without nature
is no future at all.